How to install Pig Grippy floor mat. Basic installation. 1. Clean and dry the floor thoroughly to ensure best grip and overall performance. 2. Press and stick the leading edge of the mat to the floor. 3. Roll out the mat over the coverage area. Position the cutting board under the mat and use a safety knife to cut off the roll. The cutting board has channel grooves that will guide your safety knife to ensure straight cuts. 4. Position the mat, smooth it out, and press it into place using the installation tool. Removal. For best results, we recommend using 2 people to pull up the mat when it's time to replace it. Each person should grab a corner at the same end of the mat and pull in unison in a smooth, continuous motion. As you are slowly lifting the mat, fold or roll the mat back on itself and reposition your grip as you go. Periodically cut the lifted mat off in sections and put aside for disposal. Maintenance. Frequency of changeouts. Grippy floor mat is extremely durable and is designed to handle heavy foot and cart traffic. As long as the mat looks good, shows no obvious signs of wear, and is maintaining a good bond to the floor, it can remain in place for up to 3 months. Although conditions may vary, New Pig recommends changing your Grippy floor mats after 3 months of use. Here's why. 1. Good floor care practice requires periodic inspection of all floor surfaces and should occur at least every 3 months. 2. Grippy floor mats use a pressure-sensitive adhesive, and after 3 months of continuous use, the bond could reach the point where removal will become harder. 3. Over extended periods of time, shoes, boots, and wheels can kick up edges and corners. While edges can be trimmed, after 3 months it may be easier just to replace the mat with fresh sections. 4. 3 months of continuous use is a long time. The mats may begin to fade from their crisp new appearance and may have an accumulation of stains by then. Cleaning. Grippy floor mat is low profile and extremely durable, so it can be left in place during daily cleaning. Floor scrubbers, vacuums, brooms, and mops pass right over without damaging the mat or affecting its grip. For best results when using a floor scrubber, use low settings on the scrubber for both pressure and water. Use only white or red pads or nylon brushes. Mats are usually dry in less than 5 hours after scrubbing. For stubborn stains that don't come out during normal cleaning, use a stiff bristle brush with your regular floor cleaning solution to agitate and loosen the stain. Drying. Grippy floor mat is highly absorbent and fast drying. Absorbed water will evaporate. Standard fans or floor blowers can be used for accelerated drying. For extremely wet conditions, you can speed up the drying process by removing the water using a wet dry vac, a dry mop, or even your floor scrubber. Advanced tips and techniques. Trimming edges. If edges become worn or begin to lift, peel back the mat until fresh adhesive is exposed. Then trim and press the new edge into place. High traffic areas. For areas with high traffic, cut the mat corners at an angle to reduce potential lifting. Greasy floors. For areas that are exposed to oil or grease, thoroughly clean the floors with a degreaser prior to installing Grippy floor mat. Grouted floors. To prevent edge lift, avoid placing the mat edges directly over grout lines. Grippy floor mat performs best when all of its edges are in direct contact with clean, smooth surfaces. Seams. When 2 pieces of Grippy floor mat meet end to end or side by side, make sure the edges do not overlap. Flat seams help to avoid potential trip hazards and premature lifting. From your friends at New Pig, here's to a job well done.